Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, I went to Tuesday morning today because I went to go pick up something for a friend, and I found it. So I was going to share that with you, but I came home and my summer Pusheen box came. If you're new to my channel, or if you've been here, y'all know I love cats, and I adore Pusheen. And I learned of their subscription box a little over a year ago, I guess. And it's one of those quarterly boxes. So the summer box literally just came today. And I've taken the wrapping off, but we haven't looked inside. So you guys get to see with me. So the boxes are super cute. They look like Pusheen. So summer, the theme is kind of like sailing, I guess. The bottom of the box has his feet. The back has his tail. And super, super cute. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I respond slowly, but I do respond. And with that, let's take a peek and see what came in this box. If you're interested, I want to say was shipping the boxes around $50, I think. I can't remember, because the way it's kind of been working is like almost as soon as I get a box, like 1 or 2 weeks later, they go ahead and bill for the next one. So I'm thinking either next week or the week after, they're going to bill me for the fall box. And so that'll probably come in, what, October, I guess? Yeah, I think it comes in October. So, so it'll be another 3 months before we see another Pusheen box. Anywho, let's take a peek and see what we got. Let's see. So, open it up. You open it up, and there's Pusheen right there in the lid. And then get the little card that tells us everything that's in here. And so let's see. So you kind of get a little sneak peek. I'm going to pull it back so that I can show each item. Or, yeah, that's what we'll do. I got to sit back. I'm sorry. So the first item, they call it so it's like a lunch container. So it comes with a fork that sticks on the side, and this little container. So basically, if I want to take like a salad, it's like a salad cup, I guess. And this right here is like a little salad dressing deal that I can squeeze and then stick, in here and shake it up. Or I could put other stuff in there, but I think that's pretty cute. So, and obviously the theme for this box is little sailor Pusheen, I guess. So there's that. The next item, they say, is a mini keychain flask, and it can hold a whole 1 ounce of your beverage of choice. I really don't think I'll be doing that. It's cute. Pink, blush pink. We know I like that. So I think it's probably just going to hang out in my room. That really is not even enough to quench even a semi-thirst, but it is adorable. So there's that. It's got a cute little Pusheen tag, so I can probably do something with that. So definitely be keeping that. I'll stick this over there. Then it says a Pusheen bandana. So let's see. Take that off. Let's see. Okay, so it's kind of like a mandala, I guess. Cute. Don't know what I'll do with it, but it is adorable. So this is his little friend Stormy. That's his only other friend I know. He's got some other ones, but I don't know their names. But I think this is funny. He's up there with his little monocle, or it's not a binocular, so I guess it's, I don't know what you call a single telescope. So yeah. So there's that. And some of y'all might notice in the room tours that I do have one little cubby in my Kallax that's dedicated to Pusheen. And most of those items are these vinyl figurines. And this one looks adorable. Let's see, I gotta open it. See, I haven't even opened it yet. Let's see. Da, 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 da. Alright, Pusheen, let's see what you look like. So he's got his, oh, okay, well that comes off, so I guess so you don't scratch up the tip. Come on out. Ugh. There we go. So there's Pusheen. He's checking out what he sees afar. Ahoy, ahoy, ahoy. Arr, I guess. So little sailor Pusheen there. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. So little Pusheen photo holder. So I will probably stick, like, rotate cards out or something in here. But that's pretty darn cute. This will definitely be out in the craft room somewhere. And then I have a 2-pack of can coolers. So one of them is Pusheen taking a peek afar, and there he is, I guess, prancing around the deck. So I think those are adorable. I don't really drink out of cans, but maybe I can find some cute bottle to stick in it and put them around the craft room somewhere. So those are adorable. Then we have a to-do list. There he is on his little sailboat with his buddies. And so my understanding is everything that comes in these boxes, the only way to get them is to get the box. You can't find them in stores or on the Pusheen.com. So, and it's magnetic, so that's cool. I guess I'm gonna have to put a magnetic something in here because I've got a couple of magnetic to-do or notepads, so that's adorable. I'm gonna put that back up there and protect our little deal. And then it comes with, hold on, comes with a pool float. This will probably never get used. There's that. So that's what it looks like all blown up, and supposedly it's supposed to accommodate a full size. So yeah. And then the last item in this box is, there's always some type of, like, a piece of clothing. Sometimes it's slippers, sometimes it's shirts or tanks, something along that line. And this one is, looks like it's a long sleeve. So that's cute. I don't know that I'd really wear it outside anywhere, but it is adorable. Maybe I'll wear it on a cruise ship. Who knows? Yeah, I'm an extra large. Kind of sucky, but... So, a long sleeve stripe. I guess what? Henley, I guess? I don't know. With Pusheen on the... Well, not really a pocket, but an embroidered Pusheen. So, yeah, I'll probably wear this on a cruise ship because that's cute. And then I can cut this off and use him in something. So yeah, so that is my Pusheen box, y'all. If you're interested, let me know. I will leave a link. I'm not affiliated with them. I won't make any, you know, if you subscribe, I don't make anything off of it. I mean, if you're into Pusheen, I really haven't had a box that I was disappointed in. I thought that, you know, I mean, you know, $50 is kind of pricey, but I think all the boxes that I've gotten, I think I've definitely gotten my money's worth out of them. If you like this kind of stuff, or maybe you have, you know, a daughter, niece, granddaughter, or who likes Pusheen and you think this might be something fun. But I don't know that they really offer any discounts. I haven't paid attention. If you do like like, I don't think you really get a discount if you do the subscriptions. I have a subscription, so, but yeah, I don't think there's a discount. But so I'll include the link below to their Pusheen box if you want to go check it out. They've got an Instagram and a Facebook, but I've noticed they kind of show the stuff like in the past, but you never see what's coming up. And yeah. But, I guess yeah, it's cute. So I get to add a little Sailor, I kind of look at this and I almost think Sailor Moon. Not, but I mean still, the little hat there. So, so yeah, that's my Pusheen box. I think this is cute. I think it's just going to sit somewhere. It's not going on a key ring. So, anywho, again, if you thought this was a fun box or, whatever, go check them out. If not, there's all kinds of other subscription boxes out there. I get a couple of them. I share when they come in. And, yeah. So, I hope you'll have a great night. I will probably film my Tuesday morning little run and share it with y'all tomorrow. And I hope y'all have a great night. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.